for sale. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. This property mission is in Benedicta, 1042 Benedicta Road. It's a home for sale in southern Aroostook County. Great thing about Benedicta is I get excited when I see the interstate exit for Benedicta. It means I've made it back to the county, the largest of 16 in Maine. I'm home. We're back to the crown of Maine. Benedicta has just one interstate exit. It's kind of like Hotel California. You can check in, but you can never leave. But why would you want to? Maine is kind of like come for a day and heck, end up staying a lifetime. Benedicta, back in about the 1880s, had 400 people, lots of farms, mixed woods, and they decided to incorporate. They became a plantation. A little over 100 years later, Benedicta decided, let's dismantle this. Let's deorganize. There just wasn't enough to justify the overhead of municipal government. So now the county of Aroostook, the state of Maine, take care of Benedicta's needs, plowing roads, mowing the cemetery, and police protection. And that means real estate taxes are low, very low. Unorganized towns are like $6 a thousand. Benedicta, Maine. We're on our way. Stay tuned. That's Mount Katahdin straight ahead. She has got some snow on the top. It's just shy of a mile high, and it's an awfully lot of fun to climb it with your kids. It's a yearly tradition. Mount K. Maine house for sale. This Maine real estate property listing in Benedicta, southern Aroostook County. This is 1042 Benedicta Road, Benedicta, Maine. There's a wraparound driveway too. No need to put it in reverse and back up. Just keep going forward. Here's what's out behind you. There's a pond way out there. No houses, just pasture fields, woods. Some big established maple shade trees too. Not a lot of houses, lots of open space. Here's an area for the kids. You have an open deck with new pressure-treated lumber and an outside entrance to the basement for convenience. The garage could use the matching siding that the house has. Here's where you could put your boots. Nice little stoop. Washer and dryer. It's big enough in the bathroom to put them in there. This is a sunroom, a den, a formal dining room. Amazing morning sunrises through that wall of windows. Lots of cabinets, many built-ins in this house, like a pantry closet. I really like the galvanized on the ceilings. This definitely looks up to snuff as far as new color schemes. This is a 5-burner induction range top, bigger than most. You have to use a certain pot for it to work right, but it's like turbo. That dishwasher is less than a year old. So that's your laundry room, sunroom, entry mudroom, and your kitchen. Ready to move on to the rest of the home? This is 4 bedrooms. You have a built-in gun cabinet, or you can use it for something else. See all the little built-ins? This house has built-ins, like the desk in the open staircase. Hot water heat is cleaner, plus there's a heat pump. Hardwood floors are a lot better than rugs. They opened up the hall foyer to make an even bigger living room. Through that front door, there's a big pressure-treated deck on your west side. They love the heat pump. This is neat, clean, plus they put some LED lights overhead for good visibility. There's a closet at the foot of the stairs. Here's your oversized 12 by 10 bathroom. Lots of counter space, plus there's a closet behind the door. This is waterproof vinyl flooring. Again, cabinetry. Here's another one. Look at all the workspace. Modern tub and shower, plus they've got the rod to make it bigger so it doesn't grip you like on the movie Psycho. Here's coming out of the bathroom, heading down the hall. You have 2 bedrooms and an office or a nursery size bedroom. Another little closet in the hall. Here's your west side bedroom on the first level. Has a closet, big enough for bunk beds, more hardwood flooring. Across the hall, Mom and Dad's bedroom. Fan light, 2 windows. This has amazing morning sunrises. It overlooks acreage, and there's a pond out there that probably a duck or 2 might land in. Don't know if it would get loons like Plunkett Pond or other area lakes. Two bedrooms, and this is the nursery size room, or make it into a walk-in closet. Everybody needs an office or a computer room, right? It's big enough for a little crib when you want to be close to that new gift from the store. On the second floor, you have 2 more bedrooms. Big bedrooms. You've got a closet, built-in dresser and cabinet, 2 windows. Built-in desk, too. More built-ins. Besides the desk, that little dresser is permanent. So are these drawers. This room used more as a storage area, but built-in desk. Check these out. Someone was a carpenter. Those come in handy for kids to do their homework. This is ideal for 2 bunk beds. Again, used more as a storage area. This could be a heck of a master bedroom on the second level. See the cross 45-degree angle type flooring? Choose up more wood that makes your house stronger. Plus it's all kind of bridged. There's a hybrid water heater. Dehumidifies your basement. You have a wood stove. Keep your floors warm. There's a workbench over in the corner. There's a 30 by 30 shop too. Double garage. This garage, double door, 14-foot high ceilings inside, does need siding. But it's 30 by 30. Look what you can put in it for toys. See the little Yamaha? To get the kids started early on trail riding? Bikes, kayaks, boats. You're going to have these same toys. You need a garage to hide them in. Also has a hookup for a generator. These are 12-foot doors. This is like a barn with all kinds of lumber. That's a 14-foot high ceiling. It just needs exterior siding, or vertical metal, or vinyl siding, or painted. Like to have one of these? You can float your boat in Plunkett Pond, Macwahock Lake. There's all kinds of lakes up here. You're 200 feet away from the direct access to the ITS ATV trail. This is plenty of room for all your toys, and there is a chimney. If you want to put a wood stove and tinker in here, I can see a whole bunch of snow sleds, a whole flock of ATVs. This could be your camp up in Maine. This is a place that's inexpensive to run away and hide in Maine. Is that what you're looking for? There you have it, 1042 Benedicta Road, or the Aroostook Road, Benedicta, Maine. Main house for sale. Does this look like one you'd like to land in? We thank you for flying Moore's Realty Airlines. If this is your final destination, have a great day and reach out to us with questions. But if you'd like to go on and see more while you have time, there'll be 2 more house videos on the end of this one. Thanks for sticking around to the very end.